Here's the front end to a 1975 Corvette we've got for sale. All this is the fiberglass part. It's in pretty good shape. The fenders are off, but just put them back on, right?
Yeah, there's where they go together right there. You just fiberglass them back together. There's a place where this is the other side. Let's see, this lays in a little old place on that other part over there. And just fiberglass them back together.
There's no rips or tears in any
No,
of them.
they're in good shape. It was easier to handle them like this. It didn't bust nothing. Use fiberglass. The rubber piece is in really good shape. I mean, it's not tore all the pieces or nothing like that. It's all together.
Okay. And
there's the metal that goes behind the nose. All of that.
Okay. How much did you want for the fenders and the nose and the front end right there?
500.
$5 for the fiberglass parts. And these two are sold separate.
It just depends.
It just depends. Anyway, we got these. If anybody's interested, y'all let us know. We got some more we're going to include with it too. Hang on. Here's the inner fenders for it. And we've got some inside pieces. I'm going to go video those and show everybody them.
The headlights. And all the mechanism for them to close and open.
Yeah.
All that's inside.
Okay. Well, we'll video that box too. So if you want any of these parts, just let me know. But we'll go get the inside of it. Here's the rest of the body we got that goes with it. And we got the doors and seats too. They're just in a different location, but we got all this. And we got the radiator too, don't you?
Yeah, radiator.
Got the radiator and the condenser. I think you got the gas tank.
Yeah.
And gas tank. We got all that. Got the T-tops. So basically got the whole car. It's just in parts. So y'all let me know what you need. Here's some interior parts we have for that 75 Corvette. Got the sun visors and the console there. That's the chrome that goes along the bottom. It's all in good shape. Rocker panels.
Yep.
And that's the T-top chrome.
Yep.
That's Molly.
Door.
Here's the door panels. We got these.
Yeah. They need redoing.
They need redoing, but here they are. So there's that. Hang on for the next box. So here's some more parts. Those are the back door things you said?
Yeah, that goes in at the in the back seat.
Okay.
Well, don't have a back seat, I'm sorry. But anyway, it goes in that area.
Okay.
This is a door for storage in the back.
All right.
And there should be some more of these.
We got another box to go through,
Yeah.
so hang on. The headlights. They go up and down.
That's the mechanisms and the rest of the little valves and stuff are still on the other part of the front end.
Got the
There's
bolts.
some switch and different things.
So if you need any of these parts, let us know which one you need. If you can circle it in the video, take a screenshot, something. We'll get you a price on all of it.
There's the other two doors for the back, the storage compartments in behind the front seats.
Oh, and we still got the radiator, condenser, and the fuel tank, the doors, the seats.
Yeah.
They're not in this video, but if you want them, let me know. WW Customs, Toccoa, Georgia.